Hello YouTube. Alright, today we have a piece of equipment that is vital to those who love vintage audio, which doesn't involve a battery randomly rolling into the picture. Go away! Mwaha. Anyway, here we have a Variac, a Type W3 MT3, a Variac auto transformer, the General Radio Company, Concord, Mass., USA. One side common to line and load. Does 50 to 60 cycles, load 0 to 140 volts, and it's got patent numbers and stuff. Reset button. I'm guessing it has a built-in circuit breaker that triggers this thing. But you can see it has a giant knob. Basically what this does is it lets you vary voltage, which is essential for old components. Now, I was talking with Sansui 350A, and he was telling me that solid-state equipment doesn't like Variacs. I kind of have to disagree with that, because no matter what equipment you're testing, it's going to have capacitors in it, and this is designed so that you don't short them out and blow them out, you know, give them too much of a shock, kill them, whatever. You know. Now, normally the voltage would stay at 120. It'd stay at 110, 115, 120. The voltage is normally 120, so I would leave it there. It uses a very, very sturdy toggle switch. I mean, listen to that. I believe this was made in the 50s. And it still works. Yeah, there's absolutely nothing on the back other than feet for laying it on its side. I could open this up, but I don't really want to because it's not mine. I'm borrowing it because on Tuesday, a Sansui 350A receiver will be arriving at my door. So I'm going to use this so that I don't short anything out or do anything stupid. You know, what I usually do is I start something at 30 volts, run it for like 5-10 minutes, then bring it up to like 60, then 80, then 100, run it at 100 for a while, then bring it up to 110, and let 110 run for a while, then bring it up to 120, because 120 is where the voltage normally is. Anyway, that is a Variac. It's very, very useful for vintage equipment. It has a I forgot it has a 3-prong outlet too, which is really nice. 3-prong plug. But anyway, as I was saying, this thing is very useful for vintage equipment, so you don't, you know, give anything a spike that will kill multiple components in your system. You bring stuff up slowly to see if there's anything obvious, you know, and that whole thing. But basically, it's just variable It's basically a variable voltage transformer. It's very nice. And yeah, it's been very useful in testing, and I intend to use it for the Sansui and maybe buy one of these days. And yeah, just thought I'd show you this because it's just a very useful piece of equipment that any vintage audio enthusiast probably needs. You know, if you're buying stuff from the 50s, 60s, you gotta get one of these, because it saves you a lot of time and a lot of money, especially money. Because if you don't short stuff out, that's a very good thing. But yeah, that's a Variac, and this is what they do, and they're nice. It even comes with a free handle. Joy. But yeah, I'm dragging this out more than it needs to be, so yeah, have a good one, everybody.